Hello there, beautiful. Are you wondering where to find your next outfit of choice for that beautiful and amazing occasion? Stay tuned and watch. Hello there, lovelies. Thank you so very much. It's a wonderful time to be with you. You will find 90 plus stylish dresses to wear to party events and special occasions for ladies. You'll find some very unique and amazing latest party wear dresses and styles to help you stand out and look really amazing and pretty at any event you'll be attending. Whether you're attending as a guest or you're the celebrant of the event or occasion, you'll certainly find an amazing style or outfit right here for you to pick from. We do always encourage you to watch the video through the end, as if you decide to skip any part of the video, you'll be missing out on great ideas for inspiration. Lots of amazing and beautiful dresses and styles right here that should definitely encourage you to checking out the video through the end. You can find styles for weddings, styles for anniversaries, birthday celebrations, special events and occasions, even red carpet events and outings. Definitely there's always something for you within the video. We do again encourage you to watch the video through the end, as you come to find variations of fabrics used to achieve styles like this. You can find very lovely looking native style party dresses, ethnic style party dresses, beautiful and amazing party dresses and styles to help you stand out and look really beautiful and amazing. We encourage you to watch the video through the end. Also subscribe and leave us a like. You take care and bye. this video. Hope you check out the next as well as previous videos. We do really hope you come back for more right here on our channel. You take care and bye.